how many electrons are removed from chromium anion when it is oxidized to this particular compound, right? So you can see we have two different material or substances given to us. So how many electrons were removed? So let's represent this sentence in this way. This is our reactant, and then we have this as our product. So we want to know this question mark here. We are told that electrons have been removed, right? As this compound was oxidized to this, it released electrons. So we want to know how many electrons were released. So the first thing to do is to write the oxidation number of chromium at the reactant side and the oxidation number of chromium at the product side, and then you see the differences. So this is just a single atom of chromium here. So the oxidation number of a single atom of chromium, which is acting as an anion, is just simply the charge on top. Now the charge of this compound is -2. So chromium is initially -2. What of the oxidation number of chromium in this compound? We will have to calculate, right? So we do it this way. Just watch. This is chromium plus the oxidation number of oxygen when it is in its combined state is -2, right? So we have -2 times 4. Why are we multiplying by 4? Because there are 4 atoms of oxygen here. Then it's all equal to -2. Why are we writing this -2? Why is it not 0? Why is it not -1? It is -2 because if you look at the charge of this compound here, it is -2. If the charge was not there, it would be 0. But because of this charge, it is -2. So this will now be equal to Cr minus 8 is equal to -2. And then the oxidation number of chromium here will be -2 plus 8. Of course, this is crossing over. So this will be equal to +6. So let's fall back to the equation. From -2 to +6, how many electrons were lost? If one electron is lost here, from -2, it will become -1. If you remove one electron, it will be 0, which means you've removed 2 electrons. Then you remove 1, it will be +1. You remove 2, it will be +2, and so on and so forth. I don't know whether you understand what I'm doing. So let's say you have a substance that has -2 electron. It means there are 2 extra electrons here. And now it is now becoming +6. If it is from 0 to +6, it means 6 electrons were removed. Then from -2 to 0, it means the 2 electrons have been removed, which means a total of 8 electrons. 2 electrons and 6 electrons. It means a total of 8 electrons were removed so that it will become +6. So the oxidation state of chromium here is +6. Here it is -2. So it means 8 electrons have been removed. So this question mark here will just be 8. This question mark that we have here will just be 8 electrons. This one. And then our correct answer will be option number D.